somebody looked at this and said, I see 55 different possibilities. What about you? When you look at your life, do you see 55 different possibilities? Or do you see red, green, stem? What do you see? Apple? What else? Go a little bit deeper. What else do you see? Green apple. All right, what do y'all see? Apple, red, anything else? What? Food? He said food, yeah. Don't eat this one though. He said food. Anybody else? Do y'all see anything different? Anybody else? Anybody else see anything outside of an apple, red, green, food? The stem. Okay, stem. Okay. All right, that's it. Thank you. And this is how we treat people. We look at them. I see red, I see green, I see stem, I see food. And we never go beneath the surface. All we see is what's on the outside, what's on the exterior. And we never take an opportunity to see anything else. You know what I see when I see this? I see applesauce. I see apple juice. That's what I see when I see this. I see apple pie. Because somebody one day saw this apple and they asked themselves the question, what else? What else can this be? What else can this be utilized for? What are the possibilities that are out there when it comes to this? And because they saw other possibilities than just red, green, and a stem, they were able to actually do some amazing things with this one thing. But a lot of times we don't treat people like that. We treat people as red, green, stem. Red, green, stem. And because we treat people like that, this is all they are to us. They're disposable. We utilize them for food, utilize them for whatever we think that purpose is, and we don't get anything outside of that. But the crazy thing about that is this. A lot of times we treat ourselves like that, and a lot of times we treat others like that too. And what I mean by that is like, do you see what your possibilities are? Do you see yourself and just see that, oh, I'm just this or I'm just that? Or do you look at yourself and say, hey man, I got some amazing things that I can actually want to do with my life? I looked up this and I saw somebody had 55 different recipes with one apple. I can't even think about 55 different things that I could do with this, but somebody looked at this and said, I see 55 different possibilities. What about you? When you look at your life, do you see 55 different possibilities? Or do you see red, green, stem?